From food production to manufacturing and energy, essential industries depend on machinery that doesn't stop. That's why skilled technicians who can diagnose issues, repair equipment, and keep operations moving stay in demand. If you like hands-on challenges, this path could be for you. Universal Technical Institute's Electrical and Industrial Maintenance Technology program can help you prepare in less than 1 year. You'll train hands-on with electrical systems, mechanical components, PLCs, hydraulics, pneumatics, and robotics. In labs that replicate real industrial environments, you'll practice maintaining and repairing the same advanced machinery used across today's manufacturing and energy sectors. You'll learn to wire and troubleshoot circuits, get hands-on with electrical control systems, and tear down and rebuild mechanical assemblies. Step by step, you'll gain the mechanical and electrical skills that today's high-tech equipment requires. Even if you come into the program with no prior experience, you can graduate ready for hands-on roles that support operations in industrial settings. Over time, you may even be able to advance into supervisory or specialized positions in facilities, power plants, or manufacturing operations through experience and hard work. If you're ready to prepare for a career that keeps essential industries running, this program can give you the hands-on training to get started.